Hello, friends. There's been a lot happening in the world of immigration, including the new COVID-19 travel ban instituted by the Trump administration. I'm about to go through the basics with you and explain who it applies to and who it doesn't apply to. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The question is, does this COVID-19 travel ban apply to me or my family members? I'm going to go through all of the family categories and explain who this does apply to, who is exempt, and what steps to take to further your petitions. First, if you have a green card, or commonly referred to as lawful permanent resident status, do not worry, nothing is going to happen to you. If you have a 2-year green card, which is commonly referred to as a conditional resident card, as you married either a green card holder or U.S. citizen, you also have nothing to fear. We are still filing I-751 petitions, and we are still receiving back notices of action that continue out your green card for an additional 18 months until the removal of conditions has been adjudicated. If you're a green card holder and you're trying to naturalize, there's also nothing to worry about. USCIS is still accepting all kinds of filings, including naturalization paperwork. Once the office reopens, they will be adjudicating the paperwork, the interviews will be automatically rescheduled, and if you missed your oath due to USCIS closing its office, that will also be automatically rescheduled. Now the question is, if I'm here and I married either a US citizen or a green card holder, or I'm trying to adjust through a family member, what will happen to me? Based on the new COVID-19 travel ban? Nothing. Adjustments based on the language are exempt. We are still filing adjustment paperwork for all of our clients. You will still receive your green card and it will be adjudicated in a timely manner once the offices reopen. Now, what happens if your family member is abroad? In certain situations, this COVID-19 travel ban will apply. The categories that are currently exempt are children, which means 21 years of age or younger, whether it's stepchildren, adopted children, or biological children, are exempt from the COVID-19 ban. Spouses of U.S. citizens are also exempt from the COVID-19 ban. As a side note, the consulates and embassies have been closed since March 20th of this year, worldwide. They will reopen, and when they do, regardless of whether this travel ban is in place or not, if you're in an exempt category, they will still continue to consular process your case and provide you with a visa to your family member. The people who aren't exempt, one of the main categories, are parents of U.S. citizens. They are not listed in the COVID-19 travel ban. As such, until the ban is suspended or lifted, they will not be adjudicating consular petitions or receiving immigrant visas abroad. Another category that is exempt is children of U.S. citizens who are over the age of 21 or children of U.S. citizens who are married and have derivative filings. Those cases are also suspended until this travel ban is lifted. The biggest category it affects is green card holders. We at Nayyar always encourage our clients to try to obtain their citizenship as quickly as possible, as citizenship provides additional benefits that aren't available with just your green card. In this situation, if you're a green card holder petitioning for your spouse or children, regardless of age, whether they're abroad, you will be subject to this COVID-19 travel ban. As such, you should continue to work on your petitions and continue to make sure that the National Visa Center has it, as they're still working and adjudicating petitions. When the ban is lifted, as it's not indefinite, they will eventually consular process, assuming a visa spot is available for them. As there's nothing we can do while COVID-19 takes over the world, continue to stay strong, work on your petitions, keep them moving forward. These bans will be lifted at some point, as they cannot be held indefinitely, and your family member will be here soon. Nayyar stands with immigrants. If you'd like to set up a consultation or have additional questions about the COVID-19 ban, we are happy to assist. You can always reach us at 630 Lawyers.